G'day guys, welcome back. Today we're in Woy Woy. I'm walking to the Woy Woy Secret Waterfall. It's kind of a rock pool thing cut into the bottom of a waterfall. Been popping up on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all that sort of stuff lately, so I'm not sure how secret it really is. It's about a 2.5k walk in through the scrub. It's pretty nice. It's all fire trail till you get to the last little bit where there's a bit of a climb apparently. My understanding is that no one really knows who built this thing or where it came from, why it's there, when it was built. I could be wrong. I haven't really done any research on this thing. It's just a couple of times I've read that no one really knows where it came from. So if you know, please feel free to leave something in the comments and let us all know. I'll be honest, I've been pretty lazy on this one. There is a really interesting history in this area when the railway was built and they were tunneling and all that. There's another tunnel sort of over this way that kind of a historic site, and there's old photos of like old mine camp style stuff, like old railway worker camps set up. It's pretty cool. So I'll show that name on the screen and you can look that up for yourself. I really would like to get in there at some point. It's a little bit more of a trek than this one. That's about all I know about this place, so let's get walking and get there. Whoa, that was crazy slippery. Quick reminder that we're on the right fire trail. All right, we're 1.75 k's exactly in. I'm going to turn left down this road here. This is going to take us straight to the waterfall. Starting to see some pretty cool rock formations. The landscape's just changing a little bit. It's become a bit more rocky. Probably a good sign. This is the end of the fire trail. That's our trail over there. Big boy. Just gonna take a little detour down to here. I think I might be at the top of the waterfall. Ooh. Oh wow. Wow. Check this out. This is unreal. I am at the top of the waterfall. So we've turned right. I went back on the trail where I thought it was, got lost. So we've gone to the right and found a much more worn trail. This has got to be it. Oh yeah, here we go. This is starting to get fun. Ooh. Hey. Here we are. Could have gone in there, probably should have. This'll do. Wow. Look at this. There are old, like, train lines down in there. Old railway tracks. Look at this. So that was the way in. And look at this beautiful kind of rocky area here. And this thing, whatever this was, I have no idea. Now these rocks are really slippery. Extra care taken here. But yeah, have a go at this. This is cool. So I'm on the edge of it. It is absolutely freezing. Feels like it's about 17, 18 degrees. But I came here for a swim. Swim's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Oh. Oh, it's cold. Yep, it is absolutely freezing in here. Oh, it's supposed to be summer, but it's pretty cold today. Just walking up the other end of it. Have a little look. There's a little spot for the water to get out. Now, what is going on up here? This thing, kind of big monolithic rock, looks like it may well have detached. It's gonna fall down one day. It might be now, it might be 100 years away, but that is not gonna last much longer. Little concrete thing here to stop the water from heading out, a little dam. Looks like that would be fun to climb up. I'm not really up for a climb today, but that looks like it could be fun. Looks like there's a little track around there too. Ah, check this out. Isn't that beautiful? Looking out, down over Woy Woy. Well guys, this is the not so secret Woy Woy Waterfall. That was a fantastic walk. So about a half-hour walk in, probably about a half-hour back out. I'd love to know what this thing is. It's obviously man-made. This is concrete cinder blocks here. They're pretty old though. They've been here a long, long time. So I would love to know what this pool's for. I can't think of anything other than just a swimming pool for someone that lived nearby. Maybe it was made by the rail workers when they were building the rail tunnel. I have no idea, but this is it. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.